True's high-performance refrigerated chef base series was developed to maximize workspace and efficiency for charbroiling, grilling, and frying, while providing the convenience of refrigerated drawers. An oversized, environmentally friendly refrigeration system holds food temperatures between 33 and 38 degrees. TRCBs are available in varying sizes, from 36 to 110 inches, offering multiple space-efficient options for both cooking equipment and refrigerated storage space in any food service environment. The airflow design allows multiple units to be aligned side by side. TRCBs are manufactured with all stainless steel front, top, and sides. The chef base top is made of one-piece heavy-duty 18-gauge reinforced stainless steel and is insulated to eliminate heat from transferring to the interior of the cabinet. A drip-resistant V-edge protects against spills. An optional flat top with no V-edge is also available for an upcharge, which aids to accommodate cooking equipment with a slightly broader footprint. An exterior digital temperature display provides accurate temperature readings. Drawer facings, liners, and frames are made of stainless steel and feature large recessed handles and easily removable gaskets. The interior features an attractive NSF-approved clear aluminum sides and top, cove corners for easy cleaning, and stainless steel floor. TRCBs come standard with a 3-year parts and labor warranty, with an additional 2-year parts warranty on the compressor. True's commitment to using the highest quality materials, engineered with balanced, fully self-contained refrigeration systems, provide colder product temperatures, lower utility costs, exceptional food safety, and the best value in today's food service marketplace. True's Refrigerated Chef Base.